Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export multiple photos in Lightroom app. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Lightroom app on your home screen. Now open it. Now here you can find the option of Edits button. Now select it. Then here you can find the option of 3 dot lines at the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on it. Now tap onto the select button. Now choose multiple photos that you want to export, just like this. Then here you can find the option of share button. Now select it. Then simply tap onto the save copy to device option. Wait for a few seconds and the multiple photos will be exported to your gallery. And see, the photo has been exported. And that's it. This is how you can export multiple photos in the Lightroom app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.